Remember when things were just made better, worked better, and frankly, just lasted longer? At Century Drill and Tool, those principles have remained the central theme dating back to 1940. Since then, and after moves from New York to Chicago to Green Bay, Wisconsin, Century has been defined by that great American built-to-last work ethic. So as competitive brands changed metal specifications or manufacturing processes over the years to lower costs, Century has remained committed to more proven methods. We continue to offer the same quality promise that the brand was built on all those decades ago. It remains important to us because we believe every product we sell should get the job done the first time, which means you save time and money from having to unnecessarily replace failed tools or run back to the store to buy more of the same just to finish the job.
I get paid by the jobs that I do, so getting stuck on something that I'm not going to get paid for kind of hinders my ability to make money.
All this likely begs the question, how can we be so confident? In designing our products to deliver longer life, Century uses more heat-resisting elements like molybdenum, tungsten, and cobalt in our steel alloys. As for manufacturing, Century still relies on fully grinding most of our products, rather than a faster and less expensive forging process. We choose to do so because grinding produces sharper cutting edges and points with greater consistency. And it is on those edges where the real work gets done. Century's benchmark for all of this is the bench press. We spend countless hours testing our products against competitive brands. We test to ensure that our designs drill more holes, make more cuts, and grind better with cleaner results. We measure for the presence of the right chemical compositions in the steel so that we can guarantee Century's products resist the heat generated by their use, knowing that their failure to resist that heat is the death of other brands.
When you break off a bolt, having a quality drill bit kind of makes a big difference.
Plus, while other power tool accessory brands have lent their names over the years to power tools and toolboxes, and in some cases even toasters and coffee makers, we have proudly maintained our focus on one single purpose. We make the world's hardest working power tool accessories and hand tools. We do so while also offering the broadest, best organized selection so you can get in, find what you need, get out, and get the job done right. In store and online, we offer one of the largest selections of hand tools, abrasives, bits, blades, taps and dies, and just about any other power tool accessories you can name. By doing so, we provide pros and DIY users alike the right tool to quickly complete today's job that can then be put into the toolbox to be reliably ready for the next one. Whatever your task, we like to say that your answer is in the big blue wall. Whether you're building a house or hanging a shelf, doing weekend work under the hood, or rebuilding a tractor, look to the brand that has been trusted by pros since 1940 for precision, performance, and durability.
Spending good money on a tool really tends to go a long way when it comes to drill bits.
Power tool accessories and hand tools that outperform expectations and guarantee project success. At Century, we do our job right so you can do yours. Century Drill and Tool.